Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. First fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game. This is just an example. So you have to right click on Modern Warfare 4 beta game and then click on properties. Then go to the controller tab. And from the drop down here, first select enable Steam input and then restart the game because changing requires restart of the game. So just restart the game and then check controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, then again go to the Modern Warfare 4 beta game properties, go to controller tab and this time select disable Steam input and again restart the game and then check if your controller or gamepad is working or not. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. And then check if the controller or gamepad is working in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controller. So if you have installed any third-party game controllers on your PC, then just uninstall them or disable them and also unplug the additional peripherals. So if you have any additional peripherals connected to your PC such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. So this is just an alternative solution because the game has recently launched and it is in beta. So maybe game have some bugs, so you can try this and check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix controller or gamepad not working in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.